Hi, I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to this week's Quick Pick. My quick pick this week is FXI, which is an ETF, iShares China Large-Cap ETF. There's really one big driver going on here. The People's Bank has been told to look at the Chinese economy and look at the fact that the Chinese economy is slowing and to do something about it. And they've already done a couple of things. They've cut the bank reserve requirements, which lets banks keep less in reserve, put more money into the economy. They've also cut the rate they charge banks to borrow money from the central bank. Again, putting more money into the economy. I don't think this is the end of central bank action. What happens in China is that when the central bank acts, Chinese stocks go up. It happens over and over and over again. And it happens really big if there's been weakness in the Chinese market, which has basically been lagging for much of 2021 and into 2022. But now it looks like it's reversed. So you can see that big decline right here. February of 2021, we're talking about, there's been some rallies, but we're talking about a pretty consistent decline really until right about here, early January. And that's when the central bank starts to really indicate that it's going to move up. And so what we're seeing is a pretty good rally. I added this ETF to my ETF portfolio on my subscription sites. This is my choice for how to get emerging markets or non-US exposure right now. The ETF was up about almost 3.8% as of January 20th. The ETF owns a lot of the big stocks that you know of from China. It owns Alibaba, exactly the same pattern. It owns a hunk of Tencent. Tencent has cratered faster and then has been putting in a bottom here. What you're getting in the ETF is diversification. Alibaba is up about 3.6% versus the 3.8% today on the ETF. Tencent, of course, again, concentration, and I recently added it back to my long-term 50 stocks portfolio on the free site and the paid site. And that was up about 6.2% today. So I'd look at this ETF to add diversification to a portfolio. I look at it to play the traditional central bank rally in China, and to give me diversification so I don't have to just try to figure out the ins and outs of Chinese internet policy. If you like this video, please like it. As always, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel so you get notification of when the next one will be. And you can see more of my stuff on my free site, jubakpicks.com, and more. That's 6 portfolios as opposed to 3, including the ETF portfolio. And that's on my paid site, jubakam.com. Thanks very much for watching. It's been Jim Jubak